Huwag kang maingay, guys. Video ko. It's your birthday. Bye, Mami. Ito'y burahin. Mami, ito mo. Pero hindi ko siya lang yung ballpen. Safe, kaya ko yung burahin. Go. What's up? It's not good. Si Andrea did my phone. Yes, I said thank you and like 3 times and thank you. Guys, oh my god, you're gonna remember the blushy. Go. Wait, actually that's 4. Next, just gonna first look at the inside. Name? Or next is this glitter gun.
Para mas makita ko, mas malaki.
Okay. Next is this Ruby Notebook. Look at this notebook. Is it cute? Yes or no? Look at this notebook. Next is this Japan. It's something back. Okay, last one is stickers. Is this cuter or is this cuter? I like stickers.
Actually, parehas naman. Cute lang yung isa kasi meron siyang clubby sa loob. Kanina yan yung parang
Okay, guess what? Ready mo, wait lang. Ready mo, i-gawin ito.
Kanina yan.
Look, meron ba
Kanina yan, baby.
First kami ni Andrea. Look, pwede namin po yung mga flappies. Ito yung mga flappies.
Sobrang cute.
Parang ganun ko sa'yo.
Picture pa yung mga gift nyo.
Wala, look what I got. Ano you want to look? Okay. I'm just gonna tap that. Wait guys, I'm just gonna do it. Okay guys, this is what I got today. Notebooks, stickers, notebooks, Japan stickers. The one that me and the hammer. Just wait. Anyways, to remember, it's actually my birthday. Bye guys, I'm 8. Bye.
Wow.